Alright. Hey, this time we will try to fix a laptop that has an error preparing automatic repair diagnosing your PC like that. Blue screen error. Actually, there are many ways, but this is one of the simplest ways before you use complicated methods, resetting or deleting data. So I will give you the simplest, easiest, and safest solution. Safe without losing data. Well, here are some examples of errors. It's okay, let me show you an example of the error first. It takes a long time. I waited for it for an hour, guys. Up to an hour. Only the video is sped up, okay. Long. Why did this happen? What is the cause? The cause could be because your laptop battery ran out. It could also be because you often turn off the laptop using the power button. It could also be because the laptop is rarely shut down or just dipped. Well, here is the error. Prefer automatic repair. Well, this is a regular gentleman. Yes, he is very happy. That's what he's like. Hey. Regular shop. Friends are happy. If you buy something, you must share your feelings first. Well, this is when we wait a long time. Then it will appear blue like this, yes. It appears blue like this. Actually, friends can overcome this automatic repair error by using a system restore. If the system restore is active, Gusty knew a go where you can use a PC reset, but if you do research, the application will be lost, the data will be lost. Especially if the data is important, it's a shame. Okay, friends. Let's use a simple method. We turn off the laptop first, okay? Shut it down first. Okay, when it's off, turn the laptop on first and then immediately press F2 or FN2 to enter the BIOS, okay? Because it can be caused by BIOS settings. Now, please scroll to configuration, okay, scroll. Now, in this configuration, please look for the words SATA controller mode. Now, in SATA controller mode, please enter then select AHC. Now, if you're done, please save, exit, save, change. Now, enter. It will restart like this, okay? Well, I'm still serving, but how can I chat on my laptop? Yes, I recorded it in the middle of the night, guys. I recorded it in the middle of the night. The shop was about to close. This is all done. Well, it's all done. Yes, while waiting for this. Actually, I left the laptop with me. I was just going out to clean up. Oh my god. This cough took a long time to wait. About an hour, it took a long time to load. Because the hard drive is a bit weak, it took a long time. Because I just sped up the video so it looks fast like that. This can be entered, guys. We just have to set the bio. For those of you who are watching, I hope the problem you are experiencing is resolved quickly. Poor you, you've looked everywhere for a way but it doesn't work. If this method doesn't work, you can try the system restore method. If the system restore doesn't work, try the save mode method. If the save mode doesn't work, reset. If the reset doesn't work, then you have to reinstall. Do you know how to do it all? You know. Just ask in the comments column, okay? Just ask, sir, ask for another solution to overcome this, like that, sir. This has already tried another solution, right? Just ask, it's okay, it's okay. Oh my. Yes, cough, Lord. Well, this laptop is healthy, yes. For my friends, laptops, I hope they are always healthy too. Especially